This video will walk you through the easy setup process for NETGEAR Nighthawk routers. While your Nighthawk router may look different than shown in this video, the installation steps are essentially the same. Each Nighthawk router includes a network cable, power adapter, and quick start guide. To install the router, position the antennas. Disconnect your old router from the modem, then unplug your modem from the power source. If your modem has a battery backup, remove it. Connect the modem to the Nighthawk router with the included yellow Ethernet cable. Plug one end into the modem and other into the yellow Internet port on the back of the router. Plug the modem and Nighthawk router into your power source. The power LED will light up to indicate that the router is on. You can now set up your Nighthawk router wirelessly with a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. The pre-configured network settings for your Nighthawk router can be found on the bottom of the device. Find the unique network name in the list of available Wi-Fi networks and select it. Then type in your unique network key to connect to the network. Once your device is connected, it should begin installing automatically. If it does not, open your preferred browser and enter routerlogin.net into the address field to launch the installation assistant. The assistant will first detect if there is an existing gateway or router in your network. We recommend that you select the Help Me Choose option so that the assistant can suggest the best operation mode for you. Once the internet connection has been detected, then press Next on the Congratulations screen. When setting up your router using a PC, you will be asked to install NETGEAR Genie and ReadyShare Vault. We recommend that you install these to have all the tools required to maximize your network. The Firmware Update Assistant will detect if a new firmware is available. If new firmware is found, select Yes to download it. Once the router firmware has updated, your Nighthawk will reboot. Once the installation assistant is completed, register your network router. Registering confirms your warranty and will ensure you receive timely updates. Be sure to download the NETGEAR Genie app from the App Store and Google Play Store. With the Genie app, you can diagnose and repair network issues and even establish a guest network and set up parental controls with ease. Visit netgear.com or click the link in the video description below for additional setup details and the latest information on Nighthawk routers.